Hi guys, welcome back to part 2. Sorry guys, it was just a older.
Yeah, we'll be so mine, but let's continue. Since we're done with it, good. Okay, and now let's go into the lip things. No, wait.
Night cream. Yeah,
Man,
let's first
wait,
do
okay.
that. And me adding now the sweet.
Okay, it's open. Oh my god, it's so scared.
And tonight we must put on our night cream because it's
When we
night
wash.
cream and morning cream. Yeah, morning cream.
Wait. I think
Okay, just put it down. Let's put
Can-
it under
do you think-
eyes.
yeah.
Like I'm off.
guys, we could have stuff. You guys take Saturday, by the time you're being a rockless, since I love this side, I can consider my brother. And I could have buy it since I had a 20 rand, my 20 rand at home.
We're supposed to bring you 20 rand worth. I only have a 1 rand. But 1 rand is in there. Of course, guys, with my stuff, I have my money. That means not
Tonight
if
we're
Buddha
gonna eat
or
single
TV.
liquor.
Yeah. You have forgotten yeah, we're gonna eat liquor tonight.
Since we are Muslim. You guys, please don't make us angry by showing up bulldog stuff over.
Yo.
We're forcing, guys. We can only eat.
If you're fasting half day, 1 o'clock. If you're fasting full day, after that, 7 o'clock. Put on the radio on your phone or on the radio. Then you wait till they say lakasum to after
Okay.
two. And you
Okay,
can
that's
eat.
enough.
I chose the watermelon flavor.
I'm also taking the watermelon, girl. Don't try me. Okay.
Smell lekker. Smell.
Guys, I'm worried. Can you please call me? That's why guys, maybe we can have a part 3.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna need a pottery and the slip.
Wait, I took the wrong one.
Oh, this is so much. I
Okay,
can put this in the freezer for 2 years and still not frozen.
Let me see.
Because it must be high, man. I must put it in here.
Wait, that's fine. You can put your finger in.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Mommy, don't come in our skincare, please. Mom, yeah, Mommy, we just making our skincare. Wait, guys, you should pause for this. Just wait for that.
I have more clips in my thing.